Start new chapter, units and measurement. First heading, students unit. लिखिए बेटा, the term in which a physical quantity is measured is called its unit.
फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इसके बाद
बेटा ब्लैक बोर्ड की तरफ देखते रहो. इज कॉल्ड इट्स यूनिट. For example, length is measured in meter. So unit of length is meter. So बच्चों, clear to all, the time in which a physical quantity is measured. Suppose you measure the mass in kilogram, then unit of mass is called kilogram. Time is measured in second, so unit of time is second. So the term in which a physical quantity is measured is called its unit, beta. The term in which a physical quantity is measured is called its unit, beta. Write down. Units are of two types. Units are of two types. देखो बेटा ब्लैक बोर्ड की तरफ. फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स. बेटा those units which are independent of each other, those units which cannot be interconverted are called fundamental unit. वो यूनिट बेटा जो एक दूसरे में कन्वर्ट की ना की जा सके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन नॉट कन्वर्ट मीटर इंटू किलोग्राम, यू कैन नॉट कन्वर्ट किलोग्राम इंटू सेकेंड. सो सच यूनिट्स आर कॉल्ड फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स. दो यूनिट्स which are independent of each other and cannot be interconverted are called fundamental units. For example, unit of length, unit of mass, unit of time, they all are what? They all are fundamental units. Number 2 is your derived units, beta. What do you mean by derived units? Sometimes we multiply or divide fundamental units and we obtain a new unit. Then that new unit is called derived unit. For example, suppose we have to divide unit of you can say distance by unit of time. Unit of distance with unit of time. Distance meter, time second, meter per second. तो किसकी यूनिट बन गई बेटा? स्पीड की. So those units which are obtained from fundamental units either by multiplication or division, they are called derived units. So what are derived units? Those units which are obtained from fundamental units either by multiplication, students, or division are called derived units. For example, speed. Speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. Unit of distance is meter, unit of time is second. So therefore speed is a derived unit. In the same way बच्चों, area is equal to length into breadth, that is meter into meter is equal to what? Meter square. So dear students, these type of units which are independent of each other are called fundamental units, and the units obtained from fundamental units either by multiplication or division, they are called derived units.